Hi, I'm going to show you in this video how to manual check your student work in a quiz here in Google Classroom. So when you go to student work, you will see the quiz here. When you get to the quiz on student work, you will find your quiz in here. You click on the quiz, and then you click on this pen in here. And here you still can add an answer key if you want for the questions that are multiple choice. But for the questions that are not multiple choice, it's better to leave them empty. And then you go to responses. Then here you have question, and here you will check every single question, and you will see the responses for these questions. Okay, and the form will collect for you the questions that are similar, so it's easy to just check them. So here, for example, this is the first question here. This is multiple choice question, so it's already graded. So this one, no problem with it. But we're talking about the one that is not a multiple choice. So what are you going to do here is, this one I already checked it. So this question, three students responded with this answer. So I'll check it as correct, and it will give them 1 mark in here because I put on the when I was making the answer key, I put 1 mark for this for this answer, the answer for this question, and I left the response empty. Like my answer key, I left it empty. I just put a mark, so I assigned it to 1 mark, and then I click this one if it's correct. Like if this response is correct, I click on this one for these three students. And if it's not correct, I'll click on this one and it's a 0. Okay. So for here, this one, for example, it's correct. So I check it like this. Then the same thing here. Let me see if there was, for example, here, this is a not correct. So I clicked on this one, I give them a 0. If I click here again, it will give them a point. So then they will get it as a correct answer. Okay, so here, these are all the responses for the same question, okay, for all the students. So in here, it's faster to correct every student, and a group of students might have the same answer, so it's easy to check them as a correct answer. Then you move to the next question here, and then you click before here, I tell you to stay, so click save first. So you save what you did here, and then you move to the next question from here. Okay, so this is the next question, and still this one here, like for example here, the answer is not correct, so get a 0 and then continue like this until you finish. Okay, so here you are checking every question and the responses given to every question. When you don't do this thing, the Google form will make it as a wrong answer for the students. If you don't check it in here, for these kind of questions, if you don't check them manually like this, Google Classroom or Google Forms will mark it as a wrong answer. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Thank you so much.